Meaning of martyr.
Martyr. Martyr.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A person who suffers death or hardship rather than renounce their beliefs or principles. 2. A person who endures great suffering or hardship, often as a consequence of their beliefs or actions. Examples. 1. The martyr was executed for his faith. 2. She was a martyr to her artistic vision, sacrificing her comfort and security for its sake. Verb. Definitions. 1. To put to death or punish someone for their beliefs or actions, especially for religious or political beliefs. 2. To torment or afflict someone, often unjustly or excessively. Examples. 1. The government martyred the rebels for their defiance. 2. The boss martyred the employees with endless paperwork and bureaucratic red tape.
Martyr. Martyr.